this video, we will see the basic principles in laser. Laser is an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Properties of laser. It has high directionality, high intensity and extraordinary monochromaticity and has high degree of coherence. Next we will see pumping action. The process by which achieving population inversion in a medium is known as pumping action. The commonly used methods for pumping actions are optical pumping, electrical discharge method, direct conversion, inelastic collision between atoms, chemical method. Basic components of a laser. Laser has three important basic components, namely active medium, the medium at which the population inversion takes place. Pumping action. Pumping system is a device. By using this device, population inversion can be achieved in the active material. Third component of a laser is an optical resonator, a pair of reflecting surfaces of which one is fully reflecting and the other is partially reflecting forms in optical resonator. Next we will see resonant cavity. The optical resonator cavity consists of an active medium which is kept in between 100% reflecting mirror and partially reflecting mirror. Next we will see what is optical amplification. This optical resonator acts as a feedback system in amplifying the light emitted from the active medium by making it to undergo multiple reflections. Hence the intensity of the light is increased enormously. Finally, the intense and amplified beam called a laser is allowed to come out through the partial mirror. This is called optical amplification. Now we will see the basic concepts involved in laser. Consider an atomic system having two levels of energy E1 and E2 respectively, such that E2 is greater than E1. Let N1 and N2 be the number of atoms per unit volume present at E1 and E2 respectively. When an atom is exposed to light photon of energy h nu, three distinct processes takes place. One is stimulated absorption, second one is spontaneous emission, third one is stimulated emission. Stimulated absorption or induced absorption. The atoms in the ground state E1 are raised to the excited state E2 after absorbing a photon of energy h nu such that E2 minus E1 equivalent to h nu. This process is called the stimulated emission. Next we will see the spontaneous emission. The atom in the excited state returns to the ground state by emitting a photon of energy E equivalent to E2 minus E1 equivalent to h nu spontaneously without any external energy. This process is called the spontaneous emission. Next we will see stimulated emission. The atom in the excited state can also return to the ground state by external triggering or inducement of photon, thereby emitting a photon of energy equal to the energy of the incident photon, known as stimulated emission. Thank you.